I know what happened to Crystal. She loved daisies so much that she made so much daisy chains that there were none left in the park. So she just followed the trail of daisies into the dark, foggy forest. But when she got in, she didn't know which way was forward nor backwards because it was so foggy. Then, out of the blue, there came
a demon! It was a mask. You see,
I think Crystal went into the forest looking for daisies to make daisy chains, but instead found a mask. This isn't any regular mask, though. This mask is possessed by a demon. Not knowing what it was, she put it on and got possessed by the demon. Now we are all in grave danger. She will kill us all.
Wrong, she was murdered. And trust me, I know.
really? Because I think she just tripped over a tree root. I bet she got swallowed up by some weird bush.
Guys, don't you think we're overdoing this? I mean, we don't have any proof. Let's go find some real proof. Let's go!
Let's go!
Wait, you can be there.
Go!